Well, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. We're doing our Keto Brick launch today. We're about to go train legs. We're getting a late start. I woke up this morning and I was just like super strangely dizzy. And I don't ever get dizzy. So like, I lay back down, like I had the spins, everything. It was really weird. Don't know why. Probably I was dehydrated. So, getting a late start, but getting legs in nonetheless. Let's kill it. This has not been my morning, y'all. I was not feeling good when I woke up. I was super dizzy, lightheaded, like I said earlier, like vertigo almost. I had like a pre-workout drink. I wound up like puking that up before I worked out. I was just super nauseous. So I laid down for a little bit, came in here, started doing legs. Felt totally fine when I started doing legs. And then on that second rep at 315, you may have noticed, like I got really wobbly at the bottom of the movement. And I don't know what happened, but I had a very, very acute pain, and now I can't even stand up. So pretty frustrated about this morning's workout. It's not going like I want it to. I don't like not training, especially after like being gone the past several days at the farm. I haven't been able to work out like I like to, and then I come back and I'm freaking injuring myself. It's not the way I like to start the day. But I don't know if it's a pinched nerve, a pull muscle, but I felt it like at the last couple vertebrae of my spine, and it freaking hurts. Now, is that where it's at? Roughly?
Yeah, roughly.
Roughly. Crystal, could you tell?
I couldn't tell when it first happened. I could see you couldn't get the weight on the rack, but when I rewatched the video, you can tell like the wobbling on the bottom.
Yeah, they're freaking hurts right now.
It was hard to get up.
So, I don't know, we've got a free visit to a massage therapist that somebody hooked us up with, so I want to do that now. I'm more motivated than ever to do that now. And then also, I've got a pretty good hookup with a chiropractor that I probably should go see too. But it's very frustrating to have an injury. So I'm gonna figure out a game plan.
We're gonna learn how to treat our bodies other than just the fitness part. I'm really big into the healing part as well. Right now, it's like been a little bit of a passion of mine. So,
well, heal me, baby, heal me.
We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure out how to help everyone else do the same thing.
Yeah, buddy. What's up, y'all? We just got done hitting the submit button on the Keto Bricks. They are now live, so go snag you some. I don't know if they're gonna be in stock by the time you see this video, but if they are, go snag you some. If not, we'll have more coming soon. Crystal is making some dinner right now. I'm trying to get through some emails. Breakfast, she said breakfast. So, I'm gonna have a pound of ground beef, 80-20 ground beef. I just had a handful of macadamia nuts. Hey, babe. Yeah? You wanna show the camera what we got the other day real quick? So, one of my clients did his first competition. He's in Hawaii. He did the Sean Ray Classic. He gave both Crystal and I a shirt, and they look like this.
Mine's cooler.
And I've got one on actually right now underneath this. He also gave us some Hawaiian macadamia nuts, because the macadamia nuts from Hawaii are just like way better. We got a wasabi flavor and then an island onion flavor. And then he also gave us several different coffee blends because the coffee from Hawaii is also way better.
Toasted coconut, vanilla macadamia nut, toasted
and
coconut.
Some stickers. So he hooked us up. So thank you, Mark. I really appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Proud of you for doing your first show. Only the tip of the iceberg, man. We got many more to come. What else we get, baby?
We got this, but I want to try
Crystal
it.
got some other things.
I want to try it when we do it.
Well, can I show them first?
No.
What else you get? Oh, and that's something else. So we got a couple different things. But I sent out an email newsletter saying I don't know any good seasonings for keto. And I got a response in that email and he hooked me up. So sent me this nice letter. Corey Conklin from selectseasonings.com. Oops, I just dropped his business card. But he got all these are wrapped, but we got a garlic herb seasoning.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Yeah, we have a select chop house seasoning. We have a savory Italian seasoning. We have a savory bagel.
Bagel?
How you say bagel?
Bagel?
Bagel seasoning. Bagel. We have a chipotle rub.
Ooh, I'm about to make Rachel Gregory's bagels.
We have a savory meat seasoning. We put that on the ground beef that we're cooking. And then he also hooked me up with this jerky rub, which is right here. So thank you, Corey. I'm super excited to try this out. SelectSeasonings.com. If y'all are interested, give him a shout. Give him some business. Get some seasonings. Yeah, buddy. Anything else?
No.
No. We'll see y'all soon. What's up, y'all? We're in here packaging bricks. We got our stickers in finally. They finally sent us our stickers. So everybody's getting a hand-signed sticker. And we got the crew in here packaging. You still keto? CJ? You still keto? Kyle, we're working on Kyle. We're working on Kyle.
I'm coming. Give me January.
Dylan lost another 5 pounds. That's like
Another 5 pounds. That's 25 this month.
Alright, everybody, I'm going to bed. It's like 9 o'clock right now, and I'm in just a lot of pain. Like, this is kind of, I don't like to complain. I don't like to talk about my pain or what hurts. Like, I don't like that. Like, it's complaining. But I will say this. I've tweaked my back lots of times. You know, like, before I ever even started working out, I tweaked my back on the farm, you know, splitting wood, picking up rocks, just working. And doing deadlifts and training has been like the best thing for my back. I didn't have near as many injuries as I did prior to training. Like, it helped strengthen everything. But my back freaking hurts right now. Like, this is probably the worst it's ever been. And it's strange because, like I said earlier this morning, I was warmed up. I felt, you know, like all my joints were lubricated. I felt like everything was, you know, tight and good, like in a good way tight. And 315, I mean, that's like a warm-up set for me, so it was nothing crazy heavy by any means. The first rep was totally solid, and then I went into the second rep feeling totally solid, and then everything just gave out. So this is pretty humbling for me because I got a pretty significant injury by my standards with like no forewarning. Like, I'd done everything right. Like, I wasn't a heavyweight, I'd stretched, warmed up, and then I still got this injury. So parting thoughts and words of wisdom on this are be as proactive as you can. But, like, you know when you ride a motorcycle, if you're a motorcycle driver, and they say it's not if you get in a wreck, it's when you get in a wreck, like it's just bound to happen. Maybe the same is true with this right now, because I've been working out for 10 years now, and I haven't really had any crazy injuries. And I'm going to recover from this one, but stuff like this is just bound to happen. The main thing is just be as proactive as you can. Be as proactive as you can with preventing it, and then when you get it, be as smart as you can about, you know, letting it recover. And to be honest with y'all, I'm not very good about being proactive with preventing injury. Like, I should probably spend a lot more time, you know, getting like deep tissue massages, stretching out the muscles even when I'm not about to train them, and, you know, go and get like chiropractic service done. So I'm probably going to make a point to do that. This right here is motivation to do that. So that is what I'm going to do. Tomorrow we're going to be shipping the bricks that we sold today. Thank you if you got a brick. I really appreciate it. I think we're still in stock right now, believe it or not. So if we're in stock when you see this video, snag some bricks if you haven't already. And we'll be shipping those out tomorrow, so those should be at your doorstep soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully, being horizontal for the night, I'll be able to wake up with more energy, or not energy, but with a recovered back, or at least a improved back, or I'll be even more sore. So I'm kind of curious to see how I feel when I wake up. I'll see y'all tomorrow.